In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add bills and level in the system. Go to Project Builder module in BuildSpace Pro. Double-click Project Title to open the project. Start with List down the bills for this particular project. Single-click at the blank row below the project title and click Add Bill. Here, choose Normal Bill, then fill in the bill title. Once you are done, click Save. To group a set of bills under one major title, single-click at the blank row and click Add Level, fill in the information and click Save. User may now create a smudge bill under this level by repeating the steps to create a bill. User may use the indent and outdent function where necessary. To delete the bill, single-click at the bill and simply click Delete.